So we got a lot of snow in Buffalo, right? Well, this is just my rooftop. Roof snow shoveling for the first time. This is day number 3. There's like 2 feet just on the roof here. Over there in the distance, where you can see the building, the tall building, is downtown, way in the distance to the right, behind the tree there. It's the HSBC building, downtown Buffalo, tallest building. Here you can see the dividing line between the lake effect snow clouds and the clear skies. So over here you can see the lake effect snow in the south towns right now, thank God. Because we got about 4 feet here, 4 or 5 feet, West Seneca. We're like 10 minutes from downtown. November 21st, 2014, day number 3.